Alright guys, so the last thing that I want to show you today is deploying a physical device. So the neat part about your app creator is that you guys will get to actually test out your devices on a tablet. And we have for you guys some Android tablets, and as you go to work through these projects, you'll get to use these Android tablets. So if we look here, this is step 19 in your Project Lead the Way textbook. I'm on lesson 1.1, activity 1.1, and it's asking me to start by opening the AI2 companion app. It does not look like this little symbol anymore, but to do this, you are going to turn on your device, make sure it's on, then to get into your tablet, you just swipe up, and then you're going to click on this app right here, and it says on there MIT AI2 companion app, and you're going to click on that. Oop, my app is already up from last time, so I'm going to get out of this app. To do that, the easiest way I found is to click on the left side here of your tablet and drag that into these little panels, and then you can just get rid of your apps. So now it's completely closed out, so I can restart my process. I can click the MIT AI2 companion. I click on that, and kind of hard to see. What comes up is what you see on the screen here. It says connect with code, or you can scan the QR code. I like to scan the QR code because it's faster for me, and I'm going to show you where you're going to find the QR code. So you're going to go back to your MIT App Creator. I'm going to go to Connect here. So you can see on the viewer here we have the mystery app, and this is in my designer view. And I'm going to click Connect. There are a few options here. I could connect a USB cord directly to my tablet. If you ever have an issue with the internet connecting to your tablet, this is an option to get a direct line so that you could get that code to this tablet. We're not going to do that because we have figured out how to hopefully connect the internet to these. The other thing you could do is the emulator, and the emulator opens up, I don't know if we want to open that today, but we're not going to open that today because we would need to download something onto your laptop device, and we're not going to do that today. But if something were to ever happen to your tablet, the emulator is like a fake tablet that pops up on your computer screen. We won't use that. But it is an option for you if you're ever you definitely don't have a tablet and you need something to test your app on. I would say that using the actual tablet is always going to be better because a lot of times the emulator lags and it just doesn't have the processing capabilities of an actual physical tablet. So we're going to go back to our Connect, and you're going to go to the AI companion. Ooh, there's my lovely QR code. So I'm going to click Scan QR code here. Flip this around. I'm going to scan my QR code. It scans. Now it's working some magic here. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see. Come on, come on. Any day now. There we go. So there's my app. And I can actually press my buttons in here. Click me to, type something here. You can actually test out that app. This is a great way to debug your app by actually being able to test it. And so this will be something that we use all the time as we work on our apps and actually testing our buttons and our features that are on the user interface, because this is what the user sees. So let's just make sure I've covered the bases here. Getting on to the AI companion, clicking the AI companion button. You can type in this code, or you can use the QR code, and then that will pop up your actual app. And now that you can try this on your own, and then you can go ahead and test those buttons and share with us what happened when you tested those buttons. All right.